Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is lemon rice. This originated mainly in the southern part of India, but now it is loved almost all over India. So without any delays, let's have a look at the ingredients now. My first ingredient is cooked rice. I had 2 cups of rice which I have cooked in boiling water. Next I have around 2 tablespoons of cashew nut, 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram dal, 2 tablespoons of peanut and 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Next I have 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and few curry leaves. This is lemon juice. I have juice of 2 lemons here and a pinch of hing or asafoetida. My pan is hot and to this I'll add around 4 tablespoons of white oil. My oil is hot now. To this I'll add in the Bengal gram dal or chana dal. Next I'll add my urad dal. These dals add a very crunchy, nutty flavor to your rice. Cook them for a minute. Next I'll add in my peanuts. Cook for another minute. Now I'll add in my cashew nuts and cook it for another minute. Next goes in my red chilies. My nuts are almost cooked and now I'll add in my mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I've cooked for another minute and now I'll add in my green chilies and ginger along with the curry leaves and some hing or asafoetida. My mustard seeds have started spluttering. I'll add in the turmeric powder. The turmeric powder adds a nice color to the rice. Next I'll add in my cooked rice. Now mix it well with the rice. Be careful not to break the rice. Now I'll add in my salt. If you want, you can cook the rice with salt also. In that case, be careful while adding the salt. Salt is of course according to taste. The rice is well coated with all the spices and now it's time to add our final ingredient, that is lemon juice. You can increase or decrease the quantity of lemon juice according to your taste. If you don't like it too sour, you can reduce the amount of lemon juice. And finally I'll add in half teaspoon of sugar just to enhance all the flavors of lime and other spices. And my lemon rice is ready to be served. My lemon rice is ready, and it is a very quick and easy dish with ingredients always available in your pantry. This is best served with some pickles and poppadums. Originally, lemon rice was made from leftover rice, but nowadays it has become a complete dish in itself. So friends, do give it a try and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.